Hi, I'm John and welcome back to the channel. Today's project with Scarlett the 4-eyed cuda is to reinstall the package tray. So I've got everything done, as you've probably seen from previous videos. So now it's time to get her installed. So let's get inside the car. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken the new jute pad that I created and I put it inside. I didn't do it all the way so I could show you, but you basically just shove it and put it in, and she's done. And it's pretty much that simple. It might be easier if you took the trim ring off, but that's a whole lot of screws and a whole lot of unknown that I don't want to deal with right now. So this is how we're doing it, and so far it looks like it works. It's how I took out the old one, so I don't see a point in undoing things that didn't need to be undone before. So there's that. Now let's get the package tray top put on, and so hold on. Okay, I have the package tray set on top. It is not underneath yet, but I will do that. I have a couple little pieces here, a little piece of plastic and a little piece of metal here that's very thin. Basically used for taking apart cell phones, but I thought that it might be good as a little leverage to get under that lip back there. So let's see how it goes. All right, and the package tray top is in. What I had to do was I loosened up the screws. I lifted it at the center, pushed it dead center back, and then folded it under. And then I had to line up the holes, air vent for the rear window defogger, and that took a little bit of doing, but it was just a bunch of little minor finagling, shoving left, right, up, down, front, back, but I got it and it's in, and it's just a 2 3/8 nuts that hold that in place, and so we're good. So at this point I should be ready to be able to put in the two side panels underneath the window. So hopefully that goes smooth, but that will be another video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. Bye. Okay, well, thank you very much for making it to the end of the video. I got all the way here and I decided I wanted to do a lessons learned, as in what would I do different if I were to do this again. Well, I bought the premium jute pad, and you can see it's rather thick. This is the 40-ounce jute. And if I were to do this over again, I'd probably do the 20-ounce jute, because as you can see, maybe there's a little bit of a bulge, and it's a little thick, and so it was a little bit of a struggle to get it under that lip. So if it was half the thickness, say the 20-ounce jute, that would probably be plenty, because I've got the dynamat underneath it, and the combination of those two would have been more than satisfactory. So if you're going to do this, I definitely recommend the 20-ounce jute versus the 40, and you can learn from my adventure. Thank you very much, and have a great day.